Now all of you listen to me. Now I am going to tell you what is one-time movable drum. Now when you go to SSB, many PGTs will have a OTMD. OTMD means one-time movable drum. Clear? Now you look at here. This is a one-time movable drum. Now ये पहले से दिखाएंगे आपको जो ब्रीफिंग टाइम पे ही GT will show you this one-time movable drum. But हर जगह पे नहीं होगा. Many PGTs will have, many will not be having also. Now the meaning of OTMD is this drum is available to you when you reach here. इधर से नहीं है. When you reach here using rules and regulations without touching the ground, if you can reach here, you can take this and put it on the ground wherever you want within this stage. इधर रख सकता है, इधर रख सकता है, जहाँ भी रख सकता है. लेकिन the moment it is kept in one place, it becomes a fixed structure. इसके बाद में movement नहीं. That is called one-time movable drum. But you cannot carry this to the next stage also. You will only use this when you are in this stage. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, so आपने केबी कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में देखा होगा. It is like a lifeline. So when you reach here, this help method is available to you. But सोच समझ के इसको रखना है. क्यों एक ही बार रखने के बाद में GT will not allow you to move it from. So it's a common consensus. ये कहाँ रहे? Then you can use it. Now in this case देखो, now you have taken this channel. Now you are here. अब एक ही तरीका है आपको इधर से इधर आने के लिए. Last man के लिए there is nothing here. You see, with this kind of color coordination here, color complex combination here, there is no cantilever can be kept here, nor there is a fulcrum here. So this is the time what you should do. Look for this structure, and you will realize that this is the answer. Now, how do you reach that? You don't go like this. So here we will use an idea, which is, we call it solution out of the box. Now you see what we do? We connect it to the outside ground. See this? Now you go out, come from here, take this, come back like this, keep it here. Now the last person can climb and come here and out. Okay? पूरा निकालो. That's it.